Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of stocks, mutual funds, or any investments in India, you've probably heard of NSDL, which stands for National Securities Depository Limited. Today, we're breaking down how to view your NSDL CAS statement for 2025. This is super important because the CAS, or Consolidated Account Statement, gives you a clear snapshot of your holdings, transactions, and valuations, all in one place. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. First off, make sure you have your PAN card details and registered mobile number handy, as they're essential for accessing your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official NSDL website at nsdl.co.in. Once you're there, look for the Investor, or SAS, section. It's usually right on the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register. Click on the registration link, enter your PAN, date of birth, and other required details, then verify with an OTP sent to your mobile. After logging in, navigate to the CAS Statement option in your dashboard. Here, you'll see a form where you can select the statement period. For 2025, choose the relevant year or date range to get the latest updates. NSDL has made this process even smoother in recent years, with features like PDF downloads and email alerts, so keep an eye out for those. Once selected, hit the Generate or View button, and your statement will pop up on screen. Double-check the details for accuracy, things like your folio numbers, holdings, and transaction history. If everything looks good, you can download it as a PDF for your records. Remember, staying on top of your CAS statements helps you track your investments and make smarter decisions. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.